When you're importing contacts into your PhoneBurner account, you have the option to apply a lead source to the leads or contacts that you're importing at that moment. If you're receiving leads through a lead vendor and they're posting those leads automatically to your PhoneBurner account, each of those leads are going to be assigned the lead source when they're added to the system. If you're using the API to feed contacts into the system, you can also apply a lead source to those leads or contacts that are coming into your system. So there are a lot of ways that you can have a lead source applied to the contacts or leads that you're adding to your PhoneBurner account. Now, wouldn't it be nice to be able to report on how many leads that you're receiving in your account based off of the different lead sources or vendors? Well, there certainly is. So let's scroll up to the top of the screen here and let's go to the Reports tab. From the Reports tab, over in the Standard Reports section, you're going to see an option called Leads by Source. If we click on that, we'll be able to see all of the leads that were added to your account during the specific date range that is selected. In this particular case, my date range was pre-selected to, it looks like, the last 30 days. But of course, you can change that date range. If you click on the date range menu, you'll see a bunch of predefined options such as today, yesterday, last week, Monday through Friday, last month, past 7 days, 30, 60, 90, 120, 180, 365 days, month to date, year to date, and custom date range. Now, because this is a demo account, I'm going to go ahead and flip this to the past 365 days so we can see all of the data that's been added to my account over the last year based off of the lead source. Now, keep in mind, this is not taking into account whether or not they've been called, not called, emailed, nothing, none of that, right? We're just looking at leads added to your account during this date range. So here you can see I had 1,000 leads that were added with a lead source of Connect Score. I had 320 leads that were added with just a generic API lead source. Now, if data is imported or added to your PhoneBurner account through the API, but a lead source is not actually included, we'll just give it a generic API. If you're importing data using the importer like we were just talking about, and you don't choose a lead source, it's going to get a generic import. Then we've got my special vendor, inbound call, and then add a contact. Again, if you're adding contacts using the add a contact feature in PhoneBurner, we're going to give the lead a generic source of add a contact. So here you can see over the last 365 days, these are all of the leads that I had added to my account from these various lead sources. This is a great way for you to kind of track and see if lead sources, especially if you're buying leads from a lead vendor, if they're delivering the amount of leads they say they are. Because if they're not showing up here, then they're not getting into your PhoneBurner account. So anyway, that is a quick little overview of how you can track how many leads were added into your account during a specific date range by all of the different sources. So thanks for taking a moment to watch this video. I hope this helps you and your organization get more out of the PhoneBurner system. Thanks again, and happy dialing.